Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another product review today. Amazing stuff, guys. What we got today we're reviewing right here is a NOCO GB40. This is a jump starter. Something that, in my opinion, every car needs to have. Okay, you need to keep one of those in the car. Always make sure you buy good quality jump starter, and we're pretty happy with that one. It looks really well built. Okay, you can see how powerful this one is, even compared to the big heavy power packs. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It feels really well built. It's even like moisture resistant, I think, so it's pretty cool. You can see that's where you connect the jumper cables right here. Stay with us to see how we're going to start this dead Mercedes that has been parked for over 2 years with a 6-year-old battery now. We'll show you on it. Okay, you have USB out. This is where you can can charge your phones, tablets, and it charges them fast. It's great. Okay, USB in is where you charge it. Another cool feature, okay, let me close this thing quick, is okay, everything is really tight, feels really good, built good. If you turn this one on, you have super bright LED lights. Check it out. Okay, and if you hold it, you're going to have the blinking lights. Okay, you can have, let me see how it tells you in the menu how to turn them on and off and stuff like that. So you can have the emergency lights in case you need them. When you press this button once, okay, you can see how twice turns it on. Once you can check how much power you have, 100%. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. So let's see if we can start that Mercedes now. Anything else that's in the pack right here? Heavy duty clamps. That's what I like about this one. The GB40, and it can start a car, I think, up to 6.0 liter V8 evens, V10s, and 3.0 liter diesel. It comes with a charging USB cable. It comes, okay, that's for the lighter for your car, so you can charge it in the vehicle while you're driving. It has a nice bag that you can put everything in later. Comes with the manuals in different languages and stuff, so it comes with the warranty information. Pretty good stuff, guys. So let's see if we can start that Mercedes now. It's been dead for a long time, so all we are going to do now, just connect. Okay, connect it right there. Okay, and let me show you how dead that thing is now. Okay, don't look at here, it's been smashed a little bit. Okay, let's see if it's going to start. Nope. Let's go one more time. No, at all. So, no juice. Let me go. Nothing. So, what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to locate the battery, okay, or the jump post, wherever it is located. In our case, it's the battery in the trunk. Okay, we're going to open this one. We'll go ahead and connect it quick. Okay, and let me show you how old the battery is now. It's made of June of 2011. That is 6-year-old battery right there, guys. So connect positive and negative. It even, I think, has the protection, so if you accidentally don't do it right, okay. And you can see when you have the lights blinking, okay, like that, it's on. If your battery is less than 2 volts, you have to manually turn it on by holding this button here, but you have to read the manual to understand what happens, because the protection is off after that. Okay, so when you have the lights on like that, okay, let's see. Hopefully we can start it now. Fired right up, guys. You can see no problems at all. Okay, so let's go disconnect it now and check the we are going to turn it off first, then disconnect it, and we're going to check, okay, how full it is now. And it's still at 100% after we started this one. We've started up to 20 vehicles with one of those. We use it a lot here because, you know, we always have to move parts cars and things like that. We always have one of those in the car, always. We even have another one, which is a GB20 in the Fiesta ST, you know, the build that we have on World Mechanics, but the GB40, okay, that's what we keep in the V6 and V8 cars. It feels really good and I feel safe with that thing. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.